Hello students. Today here I am teaching topic matrices, some most important formulae and shortcut methods. First basic point, that definition of matrices, types of matrices, then algebra on matrices, and then shortcuts. First definition of a matrix. Matrix, a rectangular arrangement of mn numbers. With m rows. Horizontal line is called row. With m rows and n columns. Vertical line is called column. With m rows and n columns enclosed in square bracket is known as or is called matrix of order m by n. Matrices are denoted by notation capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. A is equals to, by theory, in matrix symbol, small aij of order m by n. Meaning of this part, small aij, elements are denoted by small letter and matrices are denoted by capital letter. Capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. And elements are denoted by small letter. Aij means the element which lies in ith row and jth column. Order of matrix is m by n. First number indicate row number and second number indicate column number. Suppose A11, A12, A13 continuing the process A1n, A21, A22, A23 continuing the process A2n. And here so many rows, columns, yes. Then last AM1, AM2, AM3 continuing the process AMN. Meaning of this, A11 means the element which lies in first row, first number indicate row number, first row, first column. A12, the element which lies in first row, second column. That is a place. हे काय सांगतं तर इथे place आहे. A11, A12, A13 lies in first row and third column. Continuing the process, first row number as it is, and column continuing the process, this is our nth column. Similarly, A21 element lies in second row, first column, second row, second column. A22 second row, third column. Continuing the process, we get A2n, that is second row, nth column. Again continuing the process, we get last row AM1, mth row, first column, mth row, second column, mth row, third column, up to AMN, mth row, nth column element AMN. Therefore, order of this matrix is m by n. We know that first number indicate row number. Yes, row number, and second number indicate column number. Row number and second number indicate column number. Then next point, types of matrices. आता इथे example एखादं घेता येईल. For example, आता इथे मी तुम्हाला जी definition सांगितली ती बरोबर ह्यात adjust होते. Rectangular arrangement of mn numbers with m rows, yes, with m rows and n columns, enclosed in square bracket, is called matrix of order m by n. This is our definition. The next point, for example, matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 0, 2, 3 minus 1. For example, okay, then this is first row. Horizontal line is called row and vertical line is called column. Rows are R1, R2. Rows are 2. First number indicate row number, and columns are C1, C2, C3. Vertical line is called column. Total columns are 3. Therefore, order of matrix A is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. For example, rectangular arrangement or square arrangement. Square means number of rows equals to number of columns. Yes, matrix definition. The next part, types of matrices. Next part, types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. First type, row matrix. Row matrix definition, a matrix having only one row. Row matrix definition, a matrix having only one row. One row. For example, only one row. 2. Suppose here -3 and here 5. Only one row. Columns are 1, 2, 3. Row number. We know that m by n by theory. Order is denoted by m by n. Row number is equals to 1. And column number 1, 2, 3. 3 column. म्हणजे थिअरी प्रमाणे जर गेलो आपण हे म्हणजे टाईप चेक करायला तर आपली ऑर्डर काय असेल 1 by n. म्हणजे कॉलम नंबर हा तुम्ही कोणताही घेऊ शकता 1, 2, 3 एक्सेट्रा. याचा अर्थ रो हा फिक्स पाहिजे. तो किती तर 1. Yes, row matrix, a matrix having only one row. Short definition, matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Then number 2, column matrix. Column matrix definition, a matrix having column matrix definition, a matrix having only one column. For example, only one column, 3 minus 4. Yes, only one column. Row number 1, 2. 2 rows and only one column. Therefore, by theory, we know that order m by n. Row number any and column number fix 1. म्हणजे हे important points आहेत CET साठी. Column matrix, a matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Then next, number 3, square matrix. Most MP point, square. Yes, square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is equals to number of columns. Square, word here square. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. That is, number of rows say m, number of columns n, m equals to n. This is our definition of square matrix. For example, matrix B is equals to 3, 0, 1, 5. Order, yes, here 2 rows and 2 columns. Order 2 by 2. First number indicate row number and second number indicate column number. Square matrix, number of rows is equals to number of columns. Definition पाठ नका करू. Example वरून लक्षात ठेवा. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Next point, number 4. After square, diagonal matrix. First it is a square matrix. We know that square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. First it is a square matrix. For example, matrix B is equals to, first it is a square matrix. For example, order 3 by 3. First, it is a square matrix. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Number 2, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix definition: a square matrix in which all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal. First, diagonal elements are here any. Diagonal म्हणजे कोणते? For example, 3, here 1 and here suppose -1. These are called diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Above the diagonal and below the diagonal. All elements are 0. Therefore, definition of diagonal matrix. Diagonal means a square matrix. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. A square matrix in which all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal वरचे सोडून बाकी सगळे एलिमेंट 0 ज्यामध्ये असतात, that type of matrix is called diagonal matrix. Then next definition. Next, number 5. Number 5, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. First, it is a square matrix. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Second, it is also a diagonal matrix. Diagonal means number of rows is equals to number of, diagonal means all its non-diagonal elements are 0. And next, scalar means its all diagonal elements are same. For example, A is equals to order 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. Suppose 3 by 3. 3 by 3. First, it is a square matrix. Second thing, it is also a diagonal matrix. Diagonal. Non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same. For example, root 2. Non-diagonal elements are 0. Yes? Definition पाठ करायची गरजच नाही. Point number 1, scalar matrix. Point number 1, first it is a square matrix. Number 2, it is also a diagonal matrix. Below the diagonal, above the diagonal, all elements are 0. And number 3, all its diagonal elements are same. Such type of matrix is called scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Then next, number 6, most empty type. Number 6, unit matrix or unit. Unit. It is also called identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Unit matrix definition. First, it is a square matrix. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. First number indicate row number. Second number indicate column number. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. Number 2, it is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal means its all non-diagonal elements are 0. And number 3, all its diagonal elements are unity. Unity means 1. Therefore, unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Unit matrix is denoted by notation I. And here number of rows equals to number of columns I3. This is I3. म्हणजे ह्याची ऑर्डर किती आहे तर इथं 3 आहे. I2 unit matrix of order 2 by 2. 1 0 0 1 order 2 by 2. Therefore, every unit matrix is a scalar matrix. Every unit matrix is a diagonal matrix. Every unit matrix is a square matrix. Definition of unit matrix. Unit matrix, diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Most important note, A is equals to, suppose Aij, order 3 by 3, 2 by 2, that is m by m or n by n. बरोबर ना, सेम घेतला पाहिजे नंबर, रो नंबर इक्वल्स टू कॉलम नंबर n by n is equals to condition for I equals to j and for I not equals to j. I equals to j means row number equals to column number. Yes, row number here. Place of I2 इथे place बघा, place of 1 A11, place of 0 A12, place of 0 A21 and place of 1 A22. Yes, A22. 1 lies in first row, first column. 0 lies in first row, second column. Yes, 0 lies in second row, first column, and 1 lies in second row, second column. Its place A22. Yes, for I equals to j. I equals to j means 1 equals to 1. Row number equals to column number. 1 equals to 1. 2 equals to 2. Then elements are 1. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी 1, 1, 1 आहे ना. आणि I not equals to j. 1 is not equals to 2. That is I is not equals to j. We know that notation Aij. I is not equals to j. 2 is not equals to 1. Elements are 0. 0. A equals to Aij is a unit matrix if I equals to j 1 and I not equals to j 0. 0. Most important note. Unit matrix. Then next number 7, null matrix. Null matrix is also called zero matrix. Null means each and every element is 0. For example, matrix A is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0. Null matrix means a matrix in which all the elements are 0 or every element is a 0 is called null matrix or zero matrix. Zero matrix. This is zero matrix. Zero matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. इथे element तुम्ही सगळे कन्सिडर करताना इथे झिरोच असतील, लक्षात घ्या. नेक्स्ट नंबर 8 सिंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स. मोस्ट IMP point. Singular matrix. A square matrix. First it is a square and square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Singular matrix, a square matrix in which a square matrix, for example, square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. A square matrix A is called a square matrix, capital A is called a singular matrix if determinant of A is equals to 0. Determinant of A equals to 0. For example, इथे आपण आधी एक मॅट्रिक्स घेऊया. For example, 1, 2, 3, 6. For example, 1, 2, 3, 6. This is the matrix symbol. Yes, matrix symbol. Conversion of matrix into determinant. Therefore, here we get determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 6. Determinant symbol. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to cross multiplication. Cross 1 into 6, 6, and 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 3, 6, and in between both sign always minus. Yes, minus. 6 minus 6, here we get value 0. Therefore, determinant of A equals to 0. Therefore, our conclusion, matrix A is a singular. Singular means determinant of A equals to 0. Most IMP for CET question, matrix A is non-singular, then find lambda, find K, Singular means determinant of A equals to 0. Then non-singular. Non-singular काय असेल? Non-singular matrix. Non-singular means determinant of A is not equals to 0. But first it is a square matrix. तो स्क्वेअर असल्याशिवाय डिटर्मिनंट कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकत नाही, बिकॉज डिटर्मिनंट इज ए स्क्वेअर अरेंजमेंट. म्हणजे तो स्क्वेअर असल्याशिवाय आपण एक्सपांड करू शकत नाही. डिटर्मिनंट 2/2 3/3 एक्सपांड नाही करता येत. Therefore first it is a square matrix. Non-singular means determinant of A not equals to 0. Most IMP point. हा अतिशय महत्वाचा पॉइंट आहे. Most IMP. Non-singular means determinant of A not equals to 0. Then next symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. First it is a square matrix. Square means number of rows is equals to number of columns. Symmetric matrix definition: a square matrix A is called symmetric. A square matrix A is called symmetric matrix if Aij is equals to Aji. Aij is equals to Aji for all I and j. Aij is equals to Aji. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, असं पटकन खूप जणांना क्लिक होत नाही. ओके, मग इथे आपण घेऊया एक्झाम्पल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, A इज इक्वल्स टू फर्स्ट बाय थिअरी A11 A12 A21 A22 is equals to, these are the places. Yes, first row first column element, first row second column element, second row first column element, and second row second column element. Yes, elements here suppose 3 -4 and here 1. आता लगेच लक्षात येईल तुमच्या. Symmetric means first it is a square matrix. Square means number of rows equals to number of columns. Order of this matrix is a 2/2. Aij is equals to Aji. A12 1 2 1 2 Ij Ji 2 1 1 2 चा इलेमेंट हा 2 1 प्लेसला पाहिजे. ते लक्षात, 1 2 ची प्लेस जी आहे ना, 2 1 ची प्लेस आहे, ते दोन्ही इलेमेंट सेम पाहिजे. डायगोनल इलेमेंट सर एनी डायगोनल तुम्ही कोणते घेऊ शकता. नॉन डायगोनल मध्ये रिलेशन आहे Aij इज इक्वल्स टू Aj. मग 3/3 असेल तर A13 A31 both are same. A12 A21 both are same. A23 A32 elements both are same in 3/3. Yes, symmetric. And one more point for CET, most MP point. In symmetric matrix, A is equals to A transpose. This is notation of transpose. Or A is equals to A transpose. This is notation of transpose. Transpose means definition of transpose. Transpose, for example, A is equals to 3 0 minus 1 1 4 minus 2. इथे मी ना एक मॅट्रिक्स दाखवलाय, मला पॉइंट क्लिअर करायचा आहे. ट्रान्सपोज. ओके, ट्रान्सपोज मीन्स ए मॅट्रिक्स ऑप्टेन, म्हणजे जो नवीन मिळतो ना तो, ए मॅट्रिक्स ऑप्टेन फ्रॉम ए मॅट्रिक्स A by interchanging its rows and columns. That matrix, new matrix, is called transpose. A transpose is equals to interchanging rows and columns of matrix A. This is R1. Yes, R1 means first row. R1 आहे तो कुठे घ्यायचा? C1 ला. 3 0 minus 1 3 0 minus 1. R2 changes to C2. 1 4 minus 2, 1 4 minus 2. Yes, A transpose is equals to, and most important point आणखीन एक आहे, order of matrix A here 1 2 2 rows, 1 2 3 3 columns, 2 by 3. Therefore order of A transpose 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 2 3 3 rows and 1 2 columns. म्हणजे तुम्ही असं लक्षात ठेवा, if order of given matrix is m by n, then order of given matrix is m by n, then order of A transpose is n by m. n by m. Most important point. n by m. आता इथे आता पॉइंट क्लिअर होईल. इन सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स A इज इक्वल्स टू A ट्रान्सपोज. मग एक एक्झाम्पल समोर आहेच ना, हे हा A आहे. याचा मी डायरेक्ट काय करते, ट्रान्सपोज, मग आपण चेक करू. A ट्रान्सपोज मीन्स इंटरचेंजिंग रोज अँड कॉलम्स ऑफ ए मॅट्रिक्स A. येस, 3 minus 4 रोला जे आहेत ते कॉलमला घ्या. -4 1. येस, -4 1. चेक करूया का? बघा बरं, A इक्वल्स टू A ट्रान्सपोज टॅली होते का? इक्वॅलिटी, इक्वलचा अर्थ काय? इक्वल. These two matrices are said to be equal if orders of both matrices are same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. First thing. And second, its corresponding elements are same. 3, 3, -4, -4, -4, -4, 1, 1. Therefore, here A is equals to A transpose. In symmetric matrix, A is equals to A transpose. Most important point. Then, next the type, symmetric, yes, completed. Next, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Matrix A, first it is a square matrix. Yes, square matrix. Square means number of rows equals to number of columns. A square matrix A equals to Aij म्हटलं तरी चालेल. A equals to Aij is called skew symmetric matrix if condition Aij is equals to minus Aj. Aij is equals to minus Aj. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता असं पटकन क्लिक होत नाही म्हणून एक्झाम्पल तयार करायचं आपण. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लेट A इज इक्वल्स टू, इथे मी एक एक्झाम्पल घेते. ऑर्डर सपोज 3 by 3. येस, 3 by 3. आता ज्यांच्या लक्षात येत नाही त्यांच्यासाठी थेरॉटिकल आधी घेऊ. A11, A12, A13, A21, येस, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. All are the places. Yes, places. For example, most IMP point in skew symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are 0. All diagonal elements are 0. And the relation between non-diagonal Ij, Ji. A12, suppose A12 3, A21 -3, A13 -2, A13, A31 +2, A23 +1, A32 -1. Yes, this is a relation between A12, A21, A13, A31, A23, A32. साइन चेंज करा, अपोजिट घ्या, प्लस मायनस. म्हणजे ज्याला थिअरॉटिकल विचारलं जातं त्यावेळेला तुम्ही नंबर सपोज करून ऑप्शन काय दिलेला आहे, मॅट्रायसेस कन्सिडर करायचे, म्हणजे नंबर्स घ्यायचे आणि मग चेक करायचं. ते Aij इज इक्वल्स टू मायनस Aji. मॅट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स. And in skew symmetric matrix, diagonal elements are 0. Each diagonal element is a 0. Yes, skew symmetric. Then next, most MP note, most MP note. In skew symmetric matrix, A is equals to minus A transpose. इन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स. A इक्वल्स टू मायनस A ट्रान्सपोज. आता तुमच्या समोर A आहे की नाही, आपण एक काम करूया, ह्याचा काय करूया, ट्रान्सपोज कॅल्क्युलेट करूया. दिस इज अवर A मॅट्रिक्स. येस, A ट्रान्सपोज. ट्रान्सपोज means interchanging rows and columns. Yes, rows and columns. 0 3 minus 2, 0 3 minus 2, minus 3 0 1, minus 3 0 1, 2 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 0. This is our A transpose. Yes, A transpose. Then next part, टेकिंग मायनस साइन कॉमन. मी काय करते, या प्रत्येक इलिमेंट मधून मायनस साइन कॉमन घेते. टेकिंग मायनस साइन कॉमन, therefore we get 0 as it is. Yes, here we get 3, here minus 2, here minus 3, 0 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 0. आता तुम्ही म्हणाल नाही लक्षात आलं आमच्या. चेक करा. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Yes, minus into plus, minus. Minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, minus 0 as it is, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, minus 0 as it is. Yes, then next part, A transpose as it is equals to minus, then 0 3 minus 2, 0 3 minus 2, minus 3 0 1, minus 3 0 1, 2 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 0, all are the elements of matrix A. Yes, therefore A transpose is equals to minus A, or A is equals to minus A transpose. Yes, matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. All are the types of matrices. Yes, these all are the types of matrices. Then next part, algebra, most MP point, algebra on matrices. Algebra on matrices. Algebra means some basic rules की ज्याच्याशिवाय आपण पुढे जाऊ शकत नाही. ओके, ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन, स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन, ऑल आर कॉल्ड algebra on matrices. Yes, algebra on matrices. First is equality. First, equality of matrices. All are basic points. Equality of matrices. Two matrices, say A and B. Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if orders of both matrices are same. Orders of both matrices are same and corresponding elements are same. दोन matrices equal केव्हा म्हणायचे? A and B हे सेम केव्हा म्हणायचे? ऑर्डर्स दोन्हीच्या पण सेम पाहिजेत आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर सेम. दोन्हीची साइड आपण नाही का इक्वेट करतो आणि ए बी कॅल्क्युलेट करतो, एक्स वाय कॅल्क्युलेट करतो, एक्स वाय झेड कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. ते ज्यावेळी इक्वेट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यूज मिळतात. बरोबर, मग इक्वेट म्हणजे इक्वॅलिटीची डेफिनेशन तर लक्षात आली पाहिजे. ऑर्डर्स दोन्हीच्या सेम लागतात मॅट्रायसेसच्या अँड करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर सेम. दॅट इज ए इक्वॅलिटी. आता इज ए इथं मी एक्झाम्पल नाही घेत. देन नेक्स्ट नंबर टू addition of matrices. 2 matrices, 3 matrices, addition of 2 matrices. Addition बेरीज करतोय आपण. ओके, A plus B. Addition of 2 matrices is defined if orders of both matrices are same. दोन्हीचे ऑर्डर सेम नसतील तर ऍडिशन करणार कशी आपण? की नाही, म्हणजे दोन्हीचे ऑर्डर काय पाहिजे? सेम पाहिजे. आता ऍडिशन करायची कशी? इथे आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लेट A इज इक्वल्स टू, इथे कोणताही चालेल, स्क्वेअर और मे बी रेक्टँग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स. A इज इक्वल्स टू 1 3 0 4 5 -1 6 4 2 मॅट्रिक्स आहे. and matrix B is equals to, इथे मी 3/3 घेतलेला आहे, 2 -1 0 4 5 1 1 0 -3 कोणते एलिमेंट चालतील. ओके, addition of two matrices A plus B is equals to addition of A and B, A 1 3 0 using matrix A 4 5 -1 0 6 4 2 plus 2 -1 0 using matrix B 4 5 1 1 0 -3. Addition of two matrices, addition A plus B, addition of corresponding elements. Corresponding means suppose A equals to Aij, B is equals to Bij, then addition A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12. Similarly, next, yes, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus into minus 1 2, 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 5 10, -1 plus 1 0, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus into minus 3, 2 minus 3 -1. A plus B, and we know that A plus B is equals to B plus A is called commutative law. Commutative law, associative law. असोसिएटिव्ह म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट फक्त इंटरचेंज केला की असोसिएटिव्ह कंप्लीट होतो. ओके, ऍडिशन. आता इथेच मी सांगते तुम्हाला ऍडिशन मध्येच, 1 मिनिट, ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मॅट्रायसेस. सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ मॅट्रायसेस A minus B is equals to using here matrix A, sign minus here matrix B. Consider same example, 1 3 0 4 5 -1 6 4 2, 2 -1 0 4 5 1 1 0 -3. A minus B equals to A minus B. मायनस करत असताना पण सेम स्टेप, फक्त इन प्लेस ऑफ ऍडिशन म्हणजे ऍडिशनच्या म्हणजे समच्या तिथे डिफरन्स करायचा. डिफरन्स 1 -2, येस, 1 -2 -1, 3 मायनस इंटू मायनस +1, 3 + 1 4, 0 -0 0, 4 -4 0, 5 -5 0, -1 -1 -2, 6 -1 5, 4 -0 4, 2 minus into minus +3, 2 + 3 5. A minus B. Yes, A minus B. Addition rule, 1 minute. First, equality of matrices, then addition of two matrices, next subtraction of two matrices. यातच मी तो पॉइंट क्लिअर करून टाकला. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. नंबर 3 स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. Let us consider matrix A is equals to Aij. इथे ना मी एक मॅट्रिक्स घेतलेला Aij. स्केलर बी के हा स्केलर घेतला आणि K B A स्केलर. Therefore K into A, that is scalar multiplication, means K into A is equals to K into each element. म्हणजे काय तर मॅट्रिक्स जो सिम्बॉल आहे त्याच्या आतमध्ये जे इलेमेंट आहेत त्या प्रत्येक इलेमेंटला के ने मल्टिप्लाय करा. मल्टिप्लाइंग ईच इलेमेंट ऑफ ए मॅट्रिक्स ए बाय के. एवढं सोपं आहे. आता ह्याला एक्झाम्पल एखादं घेऊ आपण. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लेट ए इज इक्वल्स टू, फॉर एक्झाम्पल -2 3 1 4, ऑर्डर 2/2 आणि स्केलर के इज इक्वल्स टू, इथं के घेते मी 2. Therefore 2a is equals to 2 into each element, 2 into each element. इथे आपण 2 ने आतमध्ये काय करूया, मल्टिप्लाय करून घेऊया. 2 into each element, -2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Therefore 2a is equals to multiplying each element by 2. Therefore here we get 2 into -2, -4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 1, 2, and 2 into 4, 8. Yes, this is known as a scalar multiplication. किंवा तुम्ही कॉमन घेऊ शकता, मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता, डिव्हाइड करू शकता. स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूल. स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूल. इथे आपले बेसिक रूल झाले ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, देन इक्वॅलिटी अँड स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. येस, स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. ऑल आर बेसिक पॉइंट्स. बेसिक पॉइंट्स.